Steve, Jenny, Mark, Rasta, and Ted. Okay, I'm cool. Yeah.
Yeah, we're roughly halfway, not halfway altitude, but halfway distance.
Not altitude.
No, altitude, we maybe 1/3, not even.
Wow. How's everyone feeling? Good, bad? Alright.
Sweaty.
Sweaty? I'm sweaty.
A little bit sweaty.
Yeah, that's it. Woo!
If we're a bit low on energy, it's good to take it easy.
Is
We were lost.
the man told me, this is Tonsala. Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I know. I'm joking.
Yeah, we're almost there. Nearing the top. The moment of glory is about to arrive, folks.
It's once a week.
Yeah, I mean,
Once a week, yeah. Just at the rooftop, the summit party here. We're just having a little bit of a fiesta. Yeah.
I really like it. Go online with
Well, guess where I am today, folks? I'm just in the top of Khao Ra, the highest point on Koh Phangan. Having a party, top of the mountain.
Give me your camera, I can
Yeah.
capture you dancing
Oh yes.
in front of the fog. Yeah. Show me your moves. Come on.
Be careful, don't fall down this.
Ich führe Avi.
Hardcore hop.
And now backflip.
Wow. Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
You're welcome. See you next time. Later, guys. Have a nice Sunday. All right, see you.
Enjoy.
Bye. Nice and hot, pal.
Getting paid for this?
When I'm famous, maybe.
Yeah. 1 million subscribers.
Just give it your all.
Crazy people. No drugs.
Dance harder.
That's it, yes.
Nice, it's working.
Good steering.
Oh, nice. Sherlock Holmes. Okay, we got to see a little bit. Yeah.
Other camera. This is.
Okay, let's get going, guys. Yeah. Anyway, if you want to see the airport, it's like song just keeps you moving.
Yeah.
Be here and not see the view.
Oh, my stick.
Oh, your stick?
You left Gandalf, come on.
Yeah. This will be your best video ever. Yeah. Dancing through the jungle, up the mountain. I think there's dirt on your camera.
Oh, there is shit. Is DJ Avi on the decks up there getting the tunes going? Ain't no school like the old school.
Old fucking school.
There is little shrimp. There is little shrimp.
Shrimps?
Alright, come in the water everyone, it's really worth it.
Actually, now we're on. Traveling, yes, we're just in the private waterfall, private pool, yes.
Whirlpool.
Yeah.
Alright, what are
The
the
best
names?
things in
We do
life.
the names around again.
Yes, can you remember the names? Right, I'll start. I'm Mark.
But you have to say everyone's name.
Yeah,
You
I'll
have to say
start.
your
I'll
name.
say my own name. Lily,
Yeah, Lily.
go on.
What do you want to say?
Say your name.
Your name?
Ah, it's not.
Angela.
Mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
Water.
Water.
Lulu.
Lulu. And?
Yeah!
Yeah.
And Beat.
Wow. Woohoo. Stop, stop.
If you go to the big pool, which is worth it.
Claro, estábamos a 2 horas dentro de la jungla. Y vete lo antes posible, porque si no cada vez va a ir a más. Entonces, cuando estamos... ¿No viene ningún animal? ¿En serio? No, también me cocinaba. These mushrooms.
From a big storm, but now
Oh my god, look at
it's a
that.
landmark.
Wow. I'm getting eaten by all these little small fish.
Listen, think about it. And jump in the middle.
Yeah.
Still fine. If you jump too far, there will be a rock on this side, so you really have to jump in the middle.
Moving.
Here for everything, yes, in this lovely pool. Look around here, folks. Look at this here. Perfect. Perfect location and lots of little fish. Yes, why pay for a fish pedicure when you can get one for free here, right here in Koh Phangan at the waterfall. Don't know what waterfall it's called, but
Below Khao Ra.
Khao Ra, the Khao Ra waterfall. There we go, folks. That's it.